Ugh. The glue like really dry down so fast. Brow lamination seems like a big brow trend recently. On Instagram, on YouTube, it's just popping up this kind of recommended videos and ads. Furry editorial brows is really popular. When this comes up with this brow lamination, whoa, it's another game changer. Brow lamination is that they perm your brows and upward like perm your eyelashes. As I'm living in Pula, Croatia here, it is really not easy for me to access any updated beauty hacks. But one day I came across Tina Yong, one of my favorite YouTubers video. She did this DIY brow lamination. And you know what? I actually have the same freaking kit she used for her brow lamination hair sitting at home. So I was thinking, why not? So today I'm going to do my own version of DIY brow lamination. So this is actually a lash lift eyelash permanent kit from Icon Sign. I bought it from eBay, which is only $9.99, but I paid like £11 of delivery. But I think if you lived in the UK, the delivery fee should be much cheaper than that. I'll link the link down below if you're interested in this kit. Inside this kit, they have this glue and the clean tool, the lift packs, perm, liquid, the fixation, nutrients, and clean. So I'm just going to follow that step. I have this microblading done a year ago, so that's why I have this patch of color underneath my brow. First of all, I'm going to clean my brow so in case there's any makeup on. In Tina Yong's video, she said that this lash glue in the kit is trash. I'm going to use the eyelash glue from these thick eyelashes. I'm gonna start off with my left eyelash. So first of all, I put the eyelash glue. It is pretty scary. Ugh. And then I'm gonna brush them upward. In the lash lift kit, it comes with this little guide where you have this thing here to brush your eyelash. I'm gonna use that to brush my eyebrow. Ouch. I poke myself. Okay. Am I doing the right thing? Okay, they do stick, but they're just white, so you can't really see, I guess. But you can see it's like upstroke. Actually, it's a bit scary. Like on the side, I'm gonna to just put it sideward, like so. Because this glue is a little white, so I don't really see what's going on with my brow. I think just this step, it takes quite a long time. So here's the situation. It's kind of dry, but I want the front part to come straight upward a little bit more. And then the other side. It's actually not quite an easy job. I thought it would be much easier. The glue dries down really fast. Right, so the glue kind of dried down really quickly. Okay, so this is what my brows are looking like now. I know it's like here when it dries down it looks okay. This side is because the glue like really dried down so fast, and I was brushing through the dried glue, so it has this white thingy. So now they are at least stick upward, and I am now going to apply this first layer of Perm Solution. I'm just gonna use the other side of this little guide to put this Perm Solution on. Really scared. Although Tina Yong, I think she managed to succeed in making it, but I am still like pretty scared. It's like the perm you can smell in the salon. If you have ever permed your hair, it's exactly the same smell. Just lay this Perm Solution on my brow. So I guess all the perming solution, they are the same stuff, I think. And usually in the salon, when they do the brow lamination, they pair up with tints. When you have like spare or bold spots in your brows, they can fill it up with the tint. But obviously I'm doing it at home, so I don't really have any tint here. But I did microblading as I said, so I think that is gonna be better because I have my microbladed color underneath my brows. Okay, alright, I think that's it. It's not painful, it's not itchy so far. And the next step is take a piece of this. So, wow, it looks stunning. So I am gonna leave it for around 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes passed. I'm going to remove this film. By any chance, if my eyes look a little bit watery, it's totally not because of the Perm Solution. I was cutting onions, preparing for lunch. Okay, I'm gonna use this bougie to remove a little excess of that Perm Solution. I hope it doesn't move my hair. Oh, and then I'm gonna use a little of Q-tip to just really remove the Perm Solution. Right now I look really crazy because I have like much longer hair. And then I'm going on to this second solution called Fixation. Actually just repeating the same thing as I applied the Perm Solution. So, I can't smell anything other than onions now. The right hand side look like super crazy, but I kind of feel like it will look so super editorial. But in the salon brow lamination videos, they do actually cut the hair a little bit if it looks too crazy. I'm not sure if I want to do that because once I cut it, I don't know when it's gonna grow back. And there you go again. And another 10 minutes, and this time I'm gonna cut garlic. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, so again, I am gonna use spoon to maybe take out the assets. No. This white thing come up as the glue. It shouldn't be like this. I don't know, should it be like this? Anyway, I will just really gently rub it. Now I'm gonna apply this number 3 nutrition solution on my brow. I'm gonna dip a little. I guess this one is just to give your brows a little life back after perms it, like after you perm your hair, you use some more oil products and things like that. I think this glue is just not meant to be used like this is like keep rubbing off. And finally, our last step is this number 4 cleanser, and now we shall see how it looks like. So you can see all the glue is coming out. And I'm just going to use some cotton pad and just rub it, like really cleans off. Wow, so I think it works. Really. This is how my brows are looking like now, guys. I know it looks a little bit crazy and they're laying super flat, but it works. Okay, so that's done, guys. I am actually quite happy about the results because my eyebrows, as well as my eyelashes, they always grow downward, and no matter what kind of brow gel I use, they just never go up or stay up like this. I'm really happy about it. If you have any professional brow lamination available in your area, I think that would be really good if you are into that editorial feathery brow thing. I mean, my eyebrows look furious. I mean, I like it. I never saw my eyebrows stay up like this in my life, so I have to say I'm really happy about the result. Thank you very much for coming along on this journey of don't know what my eyebrows would be or would I have any eyebrows left kind of experiment video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a little thumbs up and click that subscribe button now, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.